Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Farmers Insurance mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Farmers Insurance mobile is an official insurance management app designed to help users access and manage their auto, home, renters, and life insurance policies in one place. The app lets you view policy details, download digital ID cards, make premium payments, file claims, and track claim progress in real time. It is available on both iOS and Android and connects seamlessly with your farmer's agent for any support you may need. The app's main feature is its policy management dashboard. You can quickly check coverage, access documents, request roadside assistance, and review billing history. It also provides secure messaging, reminders, and easy access to support options for faster resolutions. The digital ID card feature is especially helpful for drivers who prefer not to carry physical documents. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, quick access to ID cards, and the ability to manage claims directly through the app. It saves time by reducing the need for calls or in-person visits, and roadside assistance integration is reported to be reliable in most cases. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report slow loading times, especially during high traffic periods. A few also experience login issues or delays in claim updates. Additionally, certain policy types may not show full details inside the app, depending on region or coverage type. In summary, the Farmers Insurance mobile app may be worth using if you want convenient access to digital ID cards, easy claim filing, billing management, and direct contact with your agent. However, if you prefer in-person interactions or encounter frequent login issues, the app might feel less essential for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.